In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes and comments to mind maps in MindMup 2.0. We'll explore each step in a clear and concise way to help you create more detailed and engaging mind maps. To begin, we'll start by visiting the MindMup website. Open your web browser and head to MindMup's homepage. It's a user-friendly platform for creating mind maps directly from your computer. No installation needed. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new map. You'll find the Create a New Map button prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on it. This action sets the stage for your mind map canvas to appear. Now, it's time to enter information on your mind map, starting with nodes. A node represents an idea or a piece of information. It's really easy to do. Simply click on the main area of your fresh map, and you'll see a starter node appear. After you've inserted this node, adding additional nodes is the next logical step. This allows you to organize ideas better and create a more comprehensive map. You can do this by clicking again within the map area. If you discover that you've added a node by mistake, or if you decide it's no longer necessary, deleting it is no hassle. Just click on the node or navigate using your keyboard arrows until the unwanted node is highlighted, and then press the delete key on your keyboard. Customization is key when creating mind maps, and MindMup offers a straightforward way to edit and personalize your nodes. To edit, either press the spacebar or double-click the node you want to modify. This action allows you to adjust the text, thereby refining the content of your mind map according to your needs. If you wish to delve further into the details of your ideas, adding notes to each node can be incredibly useful. To do this, right-click on a node. A menu will appear offering several options. From this context menu, choose Edit Notes. This is where you can jot down additional thoughts, explanations, or even reminders about the node's content, enhancing your mind map's depth. Finally, in the Notes section, type in all the additional information you want to include. Remember, notes are a perfect place to expand on the points your nodes just touch on. It's an excellent tool for listing steps for a project, detailing a plan, or just making sure you don't forget an idea. Once you've comprehensively filled in your notes, you'll find that your mind map can serve not just as a brief outline, but also as a detailed guide packed with insightful details. With these steps completed, you've successfully added notes and comments to your MindMup mind map, making it informative and comprehensive. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!